let's be real, PowerPoint is outdated. Canva is great, but it still requires a ton of effort. But what if AI could literally generate pro-level presentations in seconds without you lifting a finger? Can it actually beat PowerPoint and Canva in design? Is AI finally good enough to replace human creativity, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Well, if Gamma wins, it could save you hours of design work, but if it fails, let's just say AI is not taking over just yet. Just as a reminder, if you want to sign up for free, there's a link in the description below. Check it out. Okay, let's jump into it and let's explore what Gamma can do for you. Okay, so what can Gamma actually do? The crazy part is, a lot of people think that Gamma is solely for presentations, but I'm here to tell you, you can actually do a ton of other things inside of there as well, including creating websites and even generating documents. As well as that, it can generate text, images, and do a whole bunch of really cool design work for you on your behalf. Also, it can create charts and diagrams and even tables, so if you're in a corporate role, this is absolutely perfect for you. And to me, the best part is you can use it on any device, so I'm still able to access my work and be able to progress forward no matter where I am, which is incredibly helpful. Okay, so let's jump into the next part, pricing. There's 3 different options. You've got the free plan, the plus plan, and then the pro plan. So what I recommend is just start with the free plan. I've been using this for quite a while now, and I'm still yet to pay, which is really cool. So once again, links below in the description if you want to check that out. The other 2 plans we have here is the plus and pro plan. So really there's a couple of main differences here. One difference is that you get more credits in the pro plan than you do in the plus plan. As well as that, you can also generate more cards in the pro plan in comparison to the plus plan. If you want to know what cards are, basically cards are slides, right? So for the free plan, you can generate up to 10 slides, for the plus plan up to 20, and for the pro plan up to 50. As well as that, you also get some pretty cool AI editing options when you go for the pro plan, and as well as that, you also get premium AI image generation. But speaking from personal experience, I've seen the basic AI image generation, and I can certainly vouch for it when I say that it is really good. Okay, enough blabbering about the features and the pricing. Let's jump inside so you can see how this works. Okay, so after creating your account, this is the exact screen that you'll be greeted with. Now you can go through and just answer a couple of onboarding questions and let them know how you plan on using Gamma. And then this is the screen that it'll take you to. Just as a reminder, if you want to try this tool for free, there's a link in my description below. All right, let's jump back in. Now we've got 3 different options for being able to create our first presentation. We've got paste in text, we've got generate, and then we've also got import file or URL. So think about it this way. If you've already got a PowerPoint presentation that you've half created, you can always import that right here and let AI finish that off, which is incredibly helpful for being able to complete your task at hand. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to select generate, and then it will take us to this screen right here. Now up top, you'll see that we've got 4 different things. We've got presentation, web page, document, and social. Now what Gamma is most well known for, absolutely without a doubt, is presentation, but they also have other cool things like website, document, and social as well. Basically the way that works is the same way that this generates presentations. Basically you can do that with web pages and documents as well. Now social is new, that has literally just come out, so together we will explore that later on. Next up, we've got these 3 different settings here. Basically this one is for language, this one is for layout, and then this one here, which is called cards. Think of that as slides. So 8 cards equates to 8 slides. So for this demo, I'm just going to do 5, and then down here you can describe what you would like to make. So what's amazing is you can just enter in a prompt, and then at the click of a finger it's just going to make this presentation, which is absolutely crazy. And then below we've just got example prompts, so you can just select one of these just to see this live in action, which we're going to do right now. I'm going to select this one right here, the art of storytelling in cinema, and then I'm going to click this big magic button called generate outline. Okay, so you'll see just like that, it's taken us to this page here. Now we've got an outline for each of these slides. So what's really cool is it's done this automatically using AI, but if we wanted, we could always go in here and we could edit these if we didn't like what it came up with, but we're going to leave it as is for now. So next up, we've got customize your Gamma. So there's a bunch of different themes that you can choose from. So this is basically the way that your presentation will look. And then up here, we've got view more if we wanted to see all the different themes that they've got. They've got a really helpful button up the top here, which is a shuffle button, which can basically just take you you through random ones that they've got inside of here to show you what they look like. So I'm just going to click this, and you know what? This one looks really cool. I'm going to use this. It kind of matches my background, so let's just roll with it. All right, so I've selected that. Next up, we've got content. Now, you can choose brief, medium, or detailed. Basically, what that means is how much writing do you want on each slide? Do you want this brief? Do you want this just like one sentence and then you're doing majority of the talking? Or do you want this to be like medium or detailed and really pack a punch and put a ton of information inside of here? Where this could come in really helpful is, let's say you were creating a presentation for your business. You could give this away as a free resource to potential customers, which would be incredibly useful for converting them over into paying clients. But for now, we're just going to select medium. All right, next up, we've got image source. So there's a whole bunch of different options here, but where this really shines is AI images. And I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to click this generate button and show you this right now. And just like that, you can see it is off to the races. It is creating these slides. Oh my goodness. I remember the first time that I saw this. This absolutely blew my mind. Okay, so you'll see that we've got all these images and these slides that have been created. They look amazing, and what we can do is also click this present button right here, and it takes us right into this presentation mode here, which just looks absolutely amazing. Look at it. Now, that was literally at the click of a finger. Hey, just a reminder, if you want to sign up for this tool for free, there's a link in the description below. Now, that was quite a dark theme. What I'm going to do is pop back here and let's try a light theme so you can see that in action as well. So I'm just going to select this one right here, and I'm going to click generate, and boom, again, it is off, and have a look at it. Blows my mind every single time. Absolutely love this. And you'll see right up here in real time, it is creating the images. It looks amazing, and just like that, it is done. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this present button up here, and you can see this one in action now as well. So look, I can click the buttons on my keyboard and it is going through just like that. We've created the presentation. Could you imagine having something like this in school, like needing to create a presentation? I remember spending hours like creating presentations, and now we've got a tool right here that can just do it in seconds. It's just absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, great. So we've explored presentation. Let's go through web page next. So the layout is exactly the same as presentation. We've got cards, which once again is how many slides. We've got this box right here where you can enter in what you would like to create. And then we've also got example prompts down here again as well. And what I'm going to do is just literally select this one right here. So landing page for a marketing agency that helps real estate agents. And then I'm going to click this magic button again, generate outline. Cool. And you'll see just like that, it's generated the outline. We're going to scroll down and we're going to select the theme. I'm going to click the view more, and we're just going to click the shuffle button right here. Okay, great. I'm just going to do this one, and then I'm just going to leave it on medium, and I'm going to leave it on AI images, and I'm going to click generate. Boom, and just like that, we have a website. This is just absolutely crazy, and that is the click of a button. Now up top you can see we can add some customization, so we can always put in our logo up here. We can also add a call to action button and any other links that we want to. But look, that was literally the click of a button, and it's already gone through and wrote all of this, generated the images, and it just, I mean, have a look at it. It looks amazing. This is absolutely crazy stuff. Now I'm going to pop back, and I'm lastly going to show you documents, and then we're going to move on to the last thing. Okay, so we're back on this screen. We've selected document this time, and then we're going to use the example prompt of new employee. Okay, so it says new employee onboarding guide, and then I've just entered in for massivegrow.com. That's by community, by the way. Feel free to go and check it out. And then I gave it a little bit of a description about Massive Grow. So I just put a community to learn ways to make money from AI and automations. And now I'm going to click generate outline. Okay, great. Now we've got the outline. I'm just going to scroll down. I'll go to themes and click view more, and then I'm going to click this one right here and click select. Okay, great. So for this one, I'm going to do detailed for the amount of text per card. Image source, I'm going to leave on AI images, and I'm going to click generate. Boom, here we go. Once again, it is off, and have a look at the amount of detail that it is putting into this. Now, this is crazy. This is only just a couple of slides. Obviously, the more information I give this, the better off it will be, but look, for something that is literally just being generated at the click of a button, this is absolutely insane. I'm sure your brain is going crazy with ideas on different ways that you can use this. Incredibly cool stuff. And lastly, we've got social. All right, so once again, I haven't used this one yet, so we're exploring this one together. All right, so down here, I'm just going to use an example prompt. Okay, so I selected from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, the roadmap I wish I had, and I'm going to click generate outline. And once again, the outline is done. I'm going to leave everything as is and click generate. Okay, and here we are. Okay, so I think what it's done here is it's gone through and it looks like it's created posts that we can use on different social media platforms, which is really cool. So if you struggle to generate content or anything like that, you can also use this tool for that, which is absolutely amazing. Now, once again, I do want to mention this tool is free to use. So if you want to check it out, go to the link below in my description. It helps the channel in case you do end up spending any money on this. With that being said, I would love to hear your thoughts. What are your use cases for this? What are the different ways you think you can use this? Do you think this technology can replace Canva and PowerPoint? And do you think creative workers are in trouble just yet? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I created another video with 5 free AI tools that you can use right now. I'll leave that linked just around here. And also hit like and subscribe if you like this, because I make tons of this content all the time showing you different free AI tools that you can use inside of your business. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.